Alam mo bang pwede kang gumawa ng immunity power booster juice kahit wala kang juicer? Today, gagawa tayo ng flu shot juice gamit lang ang ating blender at ang ating strainer. So, stick around! Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button para maging updated ka sa iba pa nating tips and tricks and recipe. Without further ado, umpisahan na natin ang ating flu shot juice. At ito ang ating mga ingredients. Kailangan natin ng 1/2 bowl of pineapple slice, isang pirasong lemon, 1 thumb large size of ginger, at saka 5 cloves of garlic. So, umpisahan na natin. So, ilagay na natin ang ating pineapple chunk or pineapple slice. Pineapple is a great source of vitamin C and also it's anti-inflammatory. Right? This is... Oh, patayin muna natin yung ating lemon. Mas maganda kasi siyang isama yung ibang balat kaysa squeeze mo siya kasi marami ka pang makukuhang vitamins mula sa balat ng lemon. Slice natin siya. Lemon also is a great source of vitamin C and it's also antibacterial. This is a very powerful fruit. Next is our ginger. Ginger is a powerful plant, helps our digestive system clean the mucus in our body. At saka marami pang benefits ang makuha natin mula sa ginger. Pampapayat din to. So kung gusto nyo pumayat, so damihan nyo lang ng ginger. And kung gusto nyo medyo mas matapang yung juice nyo, pwede nyo lagyan ng maraming ginger. Next is our garlic. We have 5 cloves of garlic. This is antibacterial and anti-fungal. Okay, let's start. So, okay na siya. Pwede kayong gumamit ng iba't ibang klase ng blender or kahit anong available na blender sa inyong bahay. Next is, strain na natin ang ating na-blend na juice. Juice helps boost your immune system. So, ilipat na natin siya sa ating flu shot. So, ating shot. Shot. Okay, so ito na yung ating flu shot juice. Are you ready to take a shot? Shot. Shot. Just kidding. Alright, so tikman na natin. Matapang yung lasa. Okay, kung natatapangan kayo sa lasa, pwede nyo dagdagan ng honey. Yung pineapple naman kasi, pwede nyo dagdagan pa ng pineapple. Kasi it's a great source of natural sugar. So, kung gusto yung medyo mas matamis, lagyan nyo lang ng pineapple. Pusin na natin. Sarap! Alright guys, so if you're excited to give this fruit shot a try, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notification button below para maging updated ka sa iba ko pang videos. Bye-bye!